folks, thank you for checking out my video. Today I have another special project for you. I am going to do a walkthrough on how to replace a broken shower handle. And in the process, I'm going to show you how to shut off the water just in case the water is still running while the handle is broken. And also show you how you might be able to find the new parts for your shower. Stay tuned and I will walk you through the whole process. The handle here is broken, as you can see here. I already took it off, but I want to show you in case this is the first time for you. Now, the water might be still running. It might be in this position or that position, and the water is turned on. So what you do is you turn it counterclockwise, like so. As you can see here, this thing is detached. It's supposed to be one piece here, and then connect to this piece here. And it's held by the screw here. You can take the screw out like that to remove it. I'm not sure why they think it's a good idea to use rubber or plastic, especially when you know people are going to use it hundreds of times, turning off and on the shower. So as you can see, it came off here. It literally broke apart. And so when you rotate the handle, it's no longer have an impact. It won't able to turn the knob here off and on. And as you can see now, here is the valve to shut the water off and on, right? When the handle broke off and you still have the water on the on position and there's still water coming down and you have to try to figure out how to shut it off, you can try to use plier or a wrench or something like this. A plier, it doesn't really work because it doesn't have that grip. So I found this here that worked. You don't want to take this thing off. See, when you take it off and you try to turn the shaft here, you might break that, right? It doesn't look very sturdy. So you want to leave this part on there. It gives it a little more protection when you try to turn the water off. Get a little grip here. Alright, so the water's still coming on, as you can see. And you want to shut it off. Shut it off, like so. So now it's off, and then you can take this out because there's no use anymore. So that's a trick to turn it off, because once you break this piece here, then you'll be in trouble. You're going to have to replace, the whole cartridge, and that could become really costly. Okay, let's take a closer look at the handle here. It actually came loose. So this is actually good, so I can show you what's going on inside. So basically the handle part, it goes in like that. And then it is connected to, let's take this out. Inside here, it is connected to this rod here, if you can see. And it fits like that, and it is connected to this piece here, where then when you move the shower handle, when you crank it to on position, the whole piece here also moves along and it opens the shaft to turn it off and on. Since this is broken apart, it doesn't have any impact when you turn the handle. So that's a problem. So what you need to do right now is to get a new replacement shower handle. Here's what I want to show you. If you look closely, you'll see there's a number there, but you can't really see it with your own eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my iPhone and take a picture of that so I can expand it and view it and see what the model number is. So here is a picture of the model. I'm going to blow it up like that. So as you can see, that's the model number, and I'm going to insert that number on Google. Hopefully I can find one on the internet that I can purchase so I can get it fixed. Lucky for me, I was able to find the Pfister shower handle on Amazon. And so this is what it looks like. So here's the new replacement part. And you have the plate here. It's nice. Here's the new handle. This is intact. And the best part here is they give you this new piece here. And as you notice, this is metal. So I'm super happy about that. It's not rubber or plastic. I don't know what they were thinking, why they would want to give you a plastic knowing that you're gonna have to use it so many times. And so the idea is to plug this in like that and connect it to the shaft and put it in there. So let's do this. All right, so the plate is the same. I'm not going to change it. I'm going to keep the original so I don't have to mess with the seal in here. And then I'm going to keep this just in case this thing wears out in the future. So essentially what you need to do, as you can see here, now this is metal, right? So it's never going to break. Hopefully that's the case. You plug it in there like so. See how it fits? And this part here is going to allow the shaft here to turn when you turn the handle here, because eventually it's going to be connected to the handle. And so this screw came along with the piece here. And what you do is just screw it in. You want to use a screwdriver. Just tighten it up, like really tight. To insert it, making sure this piece here will go into the hole in the middle. So it might take a little bit for you to find it. Make sure it's even. Right, so now it's kind of even, but beautiful. And now it's just a matter of screwing it in clockwise, like so. Really tight. A little more. Yep, this is it. Perfect. See how beautiful and simple it is? So now let's turn the shower on. There we go, that's it. See how you turn that? Very nice. Water. And then you turn it off. Alright, so it's fixed. As you can see, it's really simple. All you have to do is get the model number. This cost me about $45. This is the Pfister. And if you have a different brand name, see if they have that model number inside there so you can figure out the exact part to buy. Hopefully you can find yours and fix it. With that, thank you again for watching the video. I hope it was helpful and I look forward to seeing you again soon.